Namaste and welcome to our channel. Friends, I understand this lockdown is driving most of us crazy, isn't it? Because when we think of getting out, we going out and enjoying ourselves, again we get the announcement, yes, there's lockdown, again everything shuts down. I know this is the first time in our lives when we all are feeling so helpless and we feel so jittery, and of course there are a lot of negative thoughts coming in. We are also facing depression, but no, I'm not here to make you feel negative. I'm actually here to make your day. So I am going to talk about some positive impact, or talk about how to optimize the resources that we have during this pandemic. Yes, I'm talking about time. So let's not waste this time and let's make the best use of this time. So today I have chosen a topic that we can actually go ahead and of course we can learn a lot about it, especially if you're a professional or you're a businessman, or you are actually going to start your startup. Okay, so it's going to help you in every way. So of course I'm going to talk about none other than the app or the website called LinkedIn. So let's go ahead. So stay tuned to me while I go ahead and discuss about this. So LinkedIn, as we know, is a professional networking site that allows its members to create business connections, search for jobs, and find potential clients. Well, this site also enables its users to build and engage with their professional networks, access shared knowledge and insights, and find business opportunities. Well, it is the largest business-oriented networking website geared specifically towards professionals, over 500 million members, having its presence over 200 countries. Well, LinkedIn was founded in 2002 and it's headquartered in Sunnyvale, California, United States. Now, employers in every industry these days, or you would say ever since LinkedIn has been created, they use LinkedIn to find candidates, and it's a top site for career networking. So today we are going to talk about the role and relevance of LinkedIn, okay, about LinkedIn profile, and about other features of LinkedIn, which talks about the LinkedIn jobs, which talks about the LinkedIn corporate solutions, and which also talks about LinkedIn premium subscription. Okay, so well, now let's discuss what is a LinkedIn profile and how it should be created. Well, the very first step on the road of success is to create a well-optimized LinkedIn professional profile. Well, your LinkedIn profile is actually the landing page that your connections or your recruiters and others see when they view your information on LinkedIn. So that would that would actually contain a lot of the details of your existence. I'm talking about your job details, I'm talking about your educational qualifications, your credentials, your skill sets, your interests, your experiences, your volunteer activities you have undertaken, the articles you have posted, your achievements and your endorsements, and of course the promotions that you have received in your organization. So this way interested employers and recruiters on other networking connections can see at a glance that what makes you interesting, or what makes you special, or what are your USPs. So hence it's important to actually create a robust profile that reflects your work experience and qualifications, and of course the main thing is that we have to keep it updating regularly. Now think of your LinkedIn profile as an online resume. Of course, it has a lot of relevance like an online resume. It should demonstrate your abilities, your experiences, and education. Rather, I would say that a LinkedIn profile can do even more than a resume, than a traditional resume. Well, it can include a photography of yours, and it links to your work and references from colleagues and employers, and more. Well, with a strong profile, you increase your chances of impressing an employer. When you actually apply for a job, the employer might also check out your LinkedIn profile. Now this is very obvious to learn more about you. Now as per a study about Resume Go. So Resume Go reports that resumes which have a link to the LinkedIn profile, they have 71% higher chances of being called for the interview or getting an interview rather than a resume without a link. So it's very, very important that one should have a LinkedIn account, and that should also be linked with their resume. So we see now what is the relevance of having a LinkedIn profile. One benefit of having a LinkedIn account is that it can be longer than your regular resume. Because when you talk about resume, of course, it has its limitations when it comes to pages or when it comes to words and all. Okay, so in addition, your LinkedIn profile actually can help you increase your visibility online and help you build your professional brand. And your LinkedIn profile actually may show up in Google's search results, which means that anybody who's seeking any kind of information about you will find everything that they need to know. I'm talking about your employment, your skill sets, your recommendations, etc., etc. So now let me tell you what are the things that we need to include in a LinkedIn profile. So the things we need to include in a LinkedIn profile is, first of all, your professional photograph, which not necessarily has to be there in a resume, okay? Because generally a resume may not have a photograph, but your LinkedIn account always has or asks for a photograph. Well, there has to be a catchy and concise headline and engaging summary for sure. We must use keywords and of course skills, and you can add content and accomplishments. We can also upload documents, important documents, and we can definitely mention our testimonials, endorsements, recommendations, and of course the projects taken. These are to be mentioned for sure. And of course you can also mention your personal website link. Well, after I've spoken about LinkedIn profile, let me take you through the other features one by one. So let's talk about the LinkedIn Corporate Solutions. Well, the LinkedIn Corporate Solutions enables enterprises and professional organizations to find, contact, and hire qualified candidates. If I talk about LinkedIn Jobs allows enterprises and professional organizations to advertise job opportunities on the company's network and subscriptions that enables recruiters and hiring managers, hiring authorities to find, contact, and manage potential candidates. And now coming to LinkedIn Premium subscription, I'm sure most of you have come across LinkedIn Premium subscription and would have wondered what is this all about, right? And if at all you need LinkedIn Premium subscription, let's find out. So LinkedIn provides premium subscriptions for general professionals to manage their professional identities. Like for most people, generally a free account is good enough. But if you're looking for something more, then you got to have a LinkedIn Premium subscription. Now let me tell you, the pricing about this. Well, LinkedIn offers different levels of subscription or premium account options for people with different goals based on specific needs. For example, for general users, the price of the subscription is $24.95 per month. For recruiters, it is $49.95 per month. For job seekers, it is $14.95 per month only. And for salespeople also, again, it is $14.95 per month. So these plans actually include a lead builder organizer and introductions to companies you are targeting to. So these subscriptions might come handy to those people who have this kind of specific needs. Finally, I'm going to conclude the topic by giving you 7 good reasons to have LinkedIn profile. Well, 93% of recruiters, they actually use LinkedIn to research and recruit candidates. A LinkedIn profile is actually your life print, or it's actually it talks about your very existence in the professional world, and it builds trust with recruiters and employers. Well, LinkedIn has a great job board because you get to see what all sorts of job postings that you require. You can gain social proof for your skill sets and for your talent. You can actually follow companies and target people within your network. You could be a part of a community of common purpose or vested interest, and you could get involved in forums or join groups or meet like-minded people. So these are the 7 good reasons one should use LinkedIn. So we see that this is a great site. It's not a great fit for business, not only to promote themselves, but to also establish connections and to build relationships. So if you do not have a LinkedIn account, it's high time that you need to have a LinkedIn account. And if at all you have a LinkedIn account, please check that whether you need to update it and upgrade it. So that's all for today. I sign off here, and I shall see you again with another topic. If you have any topic in mind, or you have any suggestions for any interesting topic that you would like to see, please let me know in the comment section. So thank you very much. You have a great day ahead. Take care.